Writing for ISTE, Professor Helen Crompton from Old Dominion University argues that visionary leadership is perhaps the most crucial of the 6 ISTE standards for coaches. She writes, quote, "A visionary leader is a technology coach who inspires educators to be visionary in their use of technology. And developing a shared vision for positive transformative technology use is critical for a school to move towards successful tech integration." End quote. While inspiring, what does a visionary leader actually do? What does it look like to be a visionary or to promote a shared vision from day to day? Check out this video from SBITS in Fairfax County Public Schools for ideas on how they embody visionary leadership in their daily work. Each coach was asked to reflect on the following 3 questions. How do you support the vision of the school and the division? How do you live that every day? How does your work as an SBITS support the strategic plan? As you review the video, think about how you might respond to these same questions based upon your experience as an SBITS, or even working with other colleagues in your school. Do these responses bring up any questions?